Vietnã foi nosso primeiro país no Sudeste Asiático. Não consigo pensar em um lugar melhor que poderíamos ter começado a nossa jornada como digital nômades. E depois de 6 meses, chegou a hora de partir e ir para Chiang Mai, na Tailândia. Bom dia.
Bom dia.
Eu sou Johnny.
Eu sou Ana.
Agora a gente está indo para o templo e mais ou menos 22 quilômetros. Fica no topo da montanha. Nos vemos lá.
Lights flash in the dark. I know you're coming back, aiming at my heart. And these things never come from me easily, no. But now I think I'm ready. I think I'm ready, ready. Emotions repeating, though it's been so long. I know what you're thinking, I know. I wanna spend all our time now, for better or worse. I know.
We came across this temple on our way up and decided to stop here for a bit to check it out. I couldn't find much information about it, and it does seem like it's in the middle of being renovated. Nonetheless, it still had a certain charm to it, and the architecture was also very unique and beautiful. Hey guys, so now we have arrived at the temple of Wat Phrathat Doi Suthep. I'm not sure if I said it right, but it's one of the most sacred temples in northern Thailand, and it's usually where major Buddhist holidays are celebrated. So yes, let's go check it out.
For forever no more. Now tell me, are you ready? Are you ready? Ready? Emotions repeating, though it's been so long. I know what you're thinking, I know.
Esse templo é lindo. Dê uma olhada.
This monument is up to 24 feet tall and gold-plated from top to bottom. As you can see, it's absolutely stunning, beautiful. This temple as well dates up all the way back to 14th century. So, I mean, it's ancient and it's so beautiful. It's full of magic and mystery. So definitely a beautiful place to come and see in Thailand.
Você tá em Chiang Mai e você precisa vir aqui, entendeu? Conhecer esse lugar é maravilhoso.
So we finished checking out the temple and now we're going to head to the old city to see some more. So see you soon.
Lights flash in the dark. I know you're coming.
E aí, vamos chegar aqui no
Wat Phrathat.
Tem um templo aqui que mulheres não são permitidas. Sorry, Ana. Tem um fato interessante sobre essa árvore aqui. Eles acreditam que essa árvore manter, tipo, a paz. E se essa árvore cair, ou acontecer alguma coisa com essa árvore, vai começar o caos, entendeu? Então essa árvore simboliza, tipo, a paz. E tanto que tem os protetores, né? Os guardiões que protegem a árvore e tudo mais.
So here we are at Wat Chedi Luang, and this was built in around 1385, so it's also quite old. As you can see from the architecture, it's very beautiful, very ancient, and very sacred.
A gente acabou de chegar aqui no
Wat Phrathat Doi Suthep. So this was built in 1345 and only renovated in the 19th century. So it's definitely worth seeing as well. And this is also the second most famous temple in Chiang Mai. The first one being the one we saw in the mountains.
Por hoje é isso aí, pessoal.
In my opinion, I actually think this might be my favorite temple we visited so far. As in, there's just so much here to see. I mean, the wide open spaces. And it's raining, yeah.
Começou a chover agora.
Which is actually quite nice, as it was very hot lately. But to be honest, I absolutely adore this place. Yeah, I mean, I'll actually even come back here again. Definitely.
Por hoje é isso aí, pessoal. Tchau.